Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to talk about the latest circular of the CBSE that has been issued today on date 21/5/2021. The circular number 9/2021. As you can see, that is the CBSE affiliation number AFF 2021. Okay, and what is this circular is all about, we will read this in detail. Okay, so let's go ahead with this circular. It says subject. What is the subject of circular? Display of mandatory public disclosure. So now actually what is happening, there are, like your child may be going to the CBSE school, but you don't have the proper information from the school, and also the school, they do not upload the proper information. Okay, like information in the sense means that how many teachers are there, what is their qualification, whether they are actually qualified to teach or not. So this kind of certain information which should be open for public, that is actually most private schools in India are not doing. So for the purpose to bring the transparency in the system, CBSE has started has given this circular. Okay, so I'm reading it out, what circular the CBSE has given here. Let's see what it says ahead. That display of mandatory public disclosure at home page in the school's website means it is compulsory for all the schools. सारी schools के लिए compulsory होगा कि वो अपने home page के ऊपर एक mandatory public disclosure बनाएं under the prominent icon labeled as mandatory public disclosure. Okay, for easy access by the member of the public to ensure the transparency in the system. Okay, so this is the circular which the CBSE has issued today on 21/5/2021. Further, it says to bring the transparency and to build up the trust among the stakeholders. The CBSE has been giving emphasis on mandatory public disclosure of relevant information by its affiliated schools. So all those schools, जो भी स्कूल CBSE से affiliated है, उन्हें ये mandatory public disclosure देना ही पड़ेगा. This information has to be displayed on the school website as per the clause 2.49.9 of affiliation bylaws 2018. As per the bylaws of the CBSE, it is compulsory as per the format prescribed in the appendix 9 of circular dated 5/3/2021. The format of mandatory public disclosure along with the relevant circular is once again attached for ready references here. Okay, and also in this link you can find the format that what information a school is supposed to provide, and mandatory public disclosure on their website. Other than notice saying the schools are informed to display the same on the home page, okay, of their website itself, of the school website, under icon, and what icon they will make for that, that is mandatory public disclosure. Okay, the icon links so posted on the school's website should be distinctly visible for easy accessibility, और वो easily सबको दिखाई देना चाहिए. It should not be like the schools can keep it like in hidden. No, it should be blinking or at the top of the screen. It is important that this information is easily accessible to the public, and therefore the link on the website should be prominently displayed. Okay, in this connection, it has been observed that in spite of clear direction from the board, some of the schools are not following these provisions. Okay, still actually the board has already given the direction, but some schools are there, as you know, private schools, they make their own rules and they do not follow the CBSE rules. So this circular has been passed because of that. Now it is therefore reiterated that it is imperative on the part of the school to comply not only with the provision of the state education department but also with the provisions of the affiliation examination bylaws of the board to bring the transparency and easy accessibility by stakeholders. The Central Board of Secondary Education has also made it mandatory per precondition for granting and extending the affiliation. Okay, the school leaders and managers of the schools are directed to take note of the above condition and comply with the provisions mentioned in the circular dated this, that is 5/3/2021. If it has not been complied with already, the same may be done within a period of 1 month, failing which the board will be constant to take necessary actions of the pre-provisions mentioned in chapter 12 of affiliation bylaw 2018. Okay, and if any school is failed to update this thing on their website, then there will be a suitable legal action will be taken against them as per the CBSE affiliation bylaws. See, guys, you know, down here you can see this is the Anurag Tripathi signature of Secretary CBSE, and now I will show you what things you are supposed to add, the schools are supposed to add on the website, okay, for the public knowledge. So guys, here is the format of that mandatory public disclosure which all the CBSE schools are supposed to show on their website. I am repeating again, this is compulsory. ये बहुत ही जरूरी है CBSE के सारे schools को अपनी website पे दिखाना. And what things they are going to show, what the schools are supposed to show on their website, what it should include. So first thing they are supposed to show on the website is the general information. And what does general information include? General information includes your name of the school. They have to show the affiliation number दिखाना है, school code if applicable, complete address with the pin code, principal name and qualification, school email ID, contact details. Okay, in contact details they have to give both landline as well as mobile. So this will come into the general information. Besides, under document and information, the school is supposed to show, see here the column given document and information and upload documents. So copies of affiliation, upgradation letter and recent extension of the affiliation if any. Copies of the societies, trust or company, registration, renewable certificate as applicable. Copies of no objection certificate, NOC, issued if applicable by the state government or union territory. Copies of recognition certificate under the Act 2009 and its renewable if applicable, copy of valid building safety certificate as per the National Building Code, copy of valid fire safety certificate issued by competent authorities. Fire safety certificate is also compulsory. Under document number 7 we have copy of the DEO certificate submitted by the school for affiliation, okay, upgradation, extension of affiliation or self certification by a school, okay. And number 8 here is copies of valid water, health and sanitation certificate. See, this also they have to update, because many times this has been noticed in the private school. The parents are unaware, the children they are going to, but what kind of water they are drinking, whether the proper sanitation system is there or not, okay. So that all they have to upload the proper information about it on the website. Okay, further here the note is saying something. The school needs to upload the self-attested copies of above listed documents by chairman, manager, secretary and principal. In case it is noticed at later stage that the upload document are not genuine. Okay, in case if somebody put any school put the fake information, then school shall be liable for action as per the norms. Okay, and what information they are supposed to upload regarding the result and academics. For result and academics, they are supposed to upload the fee structure of the school. See, now all the CBSE school, now especially for the parents are always concerned about the fee structure. So fees should be always clearly mentioned there. Their annual academic calendar, whatever plan they have done, okay, to run for the whole session, that should be, academic calendar should be there on the website. List of school management committee, that is SMC, should be there. List of parents teacher association, that is PTA members, should also be there on the website. Last 3 years result of the board examination as per applicability. And of course finally the result of class 10th and class 12th should also be there. So okay guys, this is the latest circular from the CBSE, and I am sure that this will give a big relief to the parents, especially those who are sending that children to the CBSE school, private schools, okay, and they are not getting the proper information. But once this circular has been passed by the school, so now you can go and ask to the school authorities that why they have not uploaded this particular things on the website. And if they are not uploaded, then you have right to go to approach CBSE in this regard, and whatever appropriate action will be taken by CBSE, that will be done. Alright guys, so thank you very much for being with us and have a nice day. Bye bye.